When you search for the best coffee maker with a grinder, everything looks the same. Same features, same photos. But to truly find the right one for your morning routine, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. First up is the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier Espresso Machine, priced at $599. This caught my eye because it's not just a coffee maker, it's a 3-in-1 powerhouse. If you want to enjoy barista-level drinks from the comfort of your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Luxe Cafe lets you brew espresso, drip coffee, and even cold brew, all with a built-in grinder. It has 25 grind settings, so you can customize the grind based on the type of coffee beans you're using. And with its weight-based dosing feature, you don't have to worry about measuring coffee grounds manually. It does it for you for the perfect brew every time. This machine has received 4.4 stars from over 2,100 reviews, which is impressive. Now, some people complained about the price. Look, I get it. $599 is a steep investment. But if you're serious about your coffee and want that cafe experience at home, the quality and versatility justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you love coffee culture and want to experiment with different brewing methods. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple cup of coffee without the bells and whistles. It's definitely a splurge, but if you're passionate about coffee, it's worth every penny. Now, if the price of the Ninja Luxe Cafe bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Jevi 10-Cup Drip Coffee Maker. Next up is the Jevi 10-Cup Drip Coffee Maker, priced at $139.99. What stood out to me was its versatility in brewing options. If you want a reliable coffee maker that can serve both small and large batches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Jevi coffee maker features a built-in burr grinder and allows you to brew anywhere from 2 to 10 cups at a time. With 3 strength levels and 8 grind settings, you have complete control over your coffee experience. The pre-brew technology gently saturates coffee grounds to maximize flavor extraction, which means you're getting the best taste possible. Now, some reviewers mentioned that the machine can be a bit noisy during grinding. Here's the thing though, it's a small price to pay for the fresh ground flavor that you get every time. This is perfect for you if you enjoy brewing coffee for family or guests and want to customize your drinks. Skip this one if you're seeking something more compact or quiet, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more straightforward approach. Product number 3, Cuisinart Grind and Brew. The third option is the Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew 12-Cup Coffee Maker, priced at $119.95. This coffee maker caught my attention for its simplicity and efficiency. If you want a no-fuss way to get fresh coffee every morning, this is worth a serious look. With a 12-cup capacity and programmability for 24 hours, you can wake up to the smell of fresh coffee without any effort. Plus, it has a brew pause feature, so you can sneak a cup before the pot finishes brewing, which is honestly a lifesaver on busy mornings. It holds a solid 4-star rating from over 6,300 reviews, proving it's a reliable choice. Now, some users noted that the grinder is a bit loud. But I'll be real with you, the trade-off for great coffee in the morning makes it worth dealing with a little noise. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward coffee maker that does it all without extra complexity. Skip this if you prefer more advanced features or controls, but for the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more customizable, the next product might just hit the spot. Product number 4, Jevi Grind and Brew Coffee Maker. Next is the Jevi Grind and Brew Coffee Maker, priced at $159.98. I found this model intriguing because of its smart touch control feature. If you enjoy having options at your fingertips, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Jevi Grind and Brew has an easy-to-use touchscreen for selecting your brewing preferences, which is super convenient. It offers adjustable brewing capacity from 4 to 10 cups and a keep warm function that lasts up to 4 hours. This means if you like to sip your coffee throughout the morning, it will stay hot and ready for you. It's rated 4.4 stars by nearly 1,000 users who appreciate its modern design and functionality. Now, some customers mention that the touchscreen can be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience outweighs the minor learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and appreciate an intuitive design. Skip this if you want a more traditional feel, but considering all its features, it's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something with a more classic approach, let's check out the last one on our list. Product number 5, Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker. Lastly, we have the Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker, priced at $89.95. This caught my eye for its large capacity and straightforward functionality. If you want something reliable that can brew for a crowd, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it has a fully programmable option that allows you to set it up a day in advance. The Brew Pause feature lets you pour a cup mid-brew, which is always a nice touch. It has an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 43,300 reviews, making it a crowd favorite. Now, some users have pointed out that it takes a bit longer to brew a full pot. Here's the thing, if you can plan ahead a little, it's a small trade-off for the great taste and capacity. This is perfect for you if you host gatherings or have a big family that enjoys coffee. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and fast, but for the price and features, it's hard to beat. To wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic coffee makers with built-in grinders, ranging from the Ninja Luxe Cafe for the coffee connoisseurs to the reliable Cuisinart 14-Cup for larger households. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you when choosing the right one. In summary, whether you're after a high-end cafe experience or just need a dependable coffee maker for home, there's something on this list for everyone. From the multifunctional Ninja Luxe to the user-friendly Cuisinart models, each offers unique benefits. Choose one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy brewing fresh coffee daily.